Hello and welcome back to this channel. Today is going to be a really fun video piece. Today we're going to be doing another greenhouse tour. There's a lot to talk about and we're going to be putting some time into talking about each plant. So before we start, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, and also you do not miss our video, and please like this video. This is going to start today's video. Alright, now before I do kind of talk about a lot of this stuff I'd really love to kind of move to the hydroponic or aquaponic system. Some plants will just do new seeds, like the basil will probably just get rid of all those plants and then start growing it in the actual system. Now, before I do go ahead and get rid of everything, I would love to make sure that there's nothing wrong with the system and everything's running right. So I'll probably just keep those plants for probably maybe 2 to 3 weeks after the systems have been turned on and they're working good. We're also hoping to grow oregano in it. So I don't really know what I'm going to do with this pot, but it looks, that's seeded extremely thick actually. Wow. Well, I guess I seeded it too much, but it's good enough. So then we have parsley. To be honest, the parsley is not looking great. I kind of feel like I was doing some research the other day ago. I feel like I might have made a big oops that I didn't catch when I was planting all this. Is I really should have done, well, here's what I think I'm going to start doing in the future. Because right now, we got the entire pot is full of coconut coir, which has absolutely no nutrients in it. I think I still want to do coconut coir on the bottom and then do like a middle thick layer of topsoil, which is in that bin. And then we would do a light layer of coconut coir on top, because we've had a lot of problems with like gnats being in the soil for the topsoil and just a ton of problems in that area. So we ended up having to get rid of pretty much everything that had topsoil in it except the blueberry plant, because that's harder to replace the soil. So that's one big thing. I think I'm going to start doing that, because really all the plants that really require nutrients thrived during like the beginning, like nursery type of stage. And then now that they're starting to grow to just get the plants bigger, they're really running into some problems and not looking good anymore. Like these two plants, it's like they've hit a brick wall and they look exactly the same as they did 2 weeks ago. So, and they look worse. They look worse than they did 2 weeks ago. So that's a problem. And I mean, I'll probably just go ahead and keep all this stuff just till I can move comfortably into the systems. So I don't get rid of some stuff that I wish I didn't get rid of. Then we have a lot going on here. We just placed an order for some different kind of nursery type of pots for like the rosemary to go in. So really hoping that does get here tomorrow. Then we have strawberries. To be honest, I have no clue what I'm going to do with those. I think I might just leave them in there till the roots can grow a little bit more. Then I'll go ahead and put them in like kind of like a hydroponic pod type of thing. And then that'll go into the hydroponic system, and then hopefully we'll have some good strawberry plants. Same thing about the topsoil with this. There's no topsoil on these, and just I really feel like the actual plants just are not thriving anymore. They're looking worse and worse every single day. Actually, that plant's pretty much dead. And then going down one more shelf, so we got onion, well, bunching onion, and then we got radish. So these, I mean, they still smell good. They look exactly like how they're supposed to. But the only problem is, now they're not looking great. It's like they completely run out of nutrients, and now they're kind of like growing and then kind of holding back and then growing some more and then holding back. So it's just a huge, like, just huge problem. And I'll probably just have to redo this. Luckily, I just got a lot more seeds of both of these, so I do have the option to kind of redo that mistake. Well, fix the mistake, I guess. That's a better sentence for that. But yeah, just the plants aren't looking great, and you can kind of look at the like leaves, and just those really don't look good. Then we have lavender. Lavender looks okay. To be honest, I don't really know if there is, if it's like half and half. But if it is, then yay. But I'd be surprised if I did do that. Then we have cosmos. The cosmos are starting to look really good, and I really like the top of the flowers. Then we have morning glories, and the morning glories are really growing very well. Then going up, we have our just testing basil plant. It's starting to grow a lot faster now, so we're gonna have to kind of start improvising, and then we're gonna have to start moving it probably to like this shelf very, very soon. Then the blueberry bush just really slows down. It's just not growing greatly anymore. Then we have a lot going on here, and a ton of stuff has really been growing lately. First of all our cilantro looks so incredible. You can see the bottom of the pots, and those look incredible. Then kind of looking in the middle of these are doing great. Roots don't look great, to be honest. I'm just gonna say that. Then going down a little bit more, roots on that don't look great. I don't think that plant's gonna survive. Roots, are recovering there. Not looking great though. The roots right there look phenomenal, absolutely incredible. Let's check the roots. There are no roots on that. Not great. And then those roots look phenomenal too. And then this plant is absolutely insane. Check out all that parsley. That looks great. And then, yeah, so very excited for a lot of this stuff to start growing. Then going down to one of the most exciting topics we've been covering a lot lately is our strawberries. So our strawberries are absolutely thriving. They're looking phenomenal. You can start to see the strawberries starting to grow. You can see like the flowers and those growing. Same with over here, and it's starting to flower even more. I don't know if any other plants are starting to flower yet, but yeah. So there's still a lot of flowers growing. Very excited about that. To be honest, I'm a little bit sad too about the strawberries, because I was really hoping I could get enough to germinate from like all these plants to have like an entire like shelf on the system completely designated for strawberries. Sadly, I couldn't get enough to germinate, so I'm kind of waiting to maybe see if they would happen to germinate still. So far, looking through this, I really don't think I'm not even seeing stuff germinating anymore. So I think I'm just gonna kind of wait even more. Maybe there'll be one day where they'll just pop up, and then that'll be an exciting day. But for now, I don't see any growth at all, which is just so disappointing. And yeah, so this is coming in the video. If you guys like these types of videos where I just kind of talk about the plants, talk about a lot of different plants in one video, please subscribe. If you guys have any other comments or just questions, or want us to do certain videos and just focus on that topic, please comment that down. So I'd also love it if you hit the bell notification on all, so you do not miss our video, and please like this video. I really appreciate all of you guys spending your time today to support this channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow when we post next. Peace.